To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Slingshot with the Prostar 2.0-liter engine, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and allow the engine to cool completely. Ensure the parking brake is set. Pull upward on the hood latch. Then, pull back on the underside of the hood above the center LED lamp with both hands to open the hood. Disconnect the ignition coil connectors from the ignition coils. Do not remove the cooling system vent hose. Unclip the wire harness from the ignition coil studs and set the harness aside. Remove the front ignition coil fastener. Then, remove the remaining coil fasteners. Pull the ignition coils up past the seal and remove. Carefully loosen the spark plugs and remove from the engine. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. Look for a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Install the spark plugs fully by hand. Then, torque to specification. Install the ignition coils over the spark plugs and push down to ensure they are fully seated. Then, install the coil fasteners and torque to specification. Reconnect the harness to the ignition coil studs. Reconnect the coil connectors and ensure they are secure. Close the hood by pulling up on the center of the hood and pivoting toward the vehicle. Allow the hood to drop and ensure all 4 latch points are secure. Start the engine and ensure there are no warning lights present. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.